Replacing your Jeep key fob battery is a simple DIY task. Most Jeep fobs use a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, either CR2032 for older models or CR2450 for newer ones. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob case safely. Locate the seam on the fob case and gently pry it open. Remove the old battery, usually held by a clip. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching your Jeep model. Reassemble the case, ensuring it snaps shut securely. Test the fob by pressing buttons to verify functionality. First, avoid static electricity by touching a grounded surface before handling the key fob components. Always use a fresh replacement battery that exactly matches your fob model. Incorrect batteries can cause malfunctions like erratic signals or total failure. Be careful when prying open the case with a small screwdriver. Avoid damaging the circuit board, as this can render the fob unusable. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, some newer Jeep models require a software reset or reprogramming. You may need to visit a dealer for this. Always check your owner's manual for specific instructions. While newer Jeeps offer digital key options via smartphone apps, physical key fobs still rely on this battery swap method as a backup.